Welcome to another lesson to arithmetic for the computer. With the title over the quiz, 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 3 is 27 and 34. 9 times 0 is 0 and with the 3 on the 3. And again, two decimal places, 1, 2. Ignore the 0 and we'll just act like we're multiplying two digits. 10 times 5 is 35. 21, 24. Now ignore the 0 and actually meaning for the first two digits or so. 0, 2. Alright. 30. 18, 19, 20, 21. 0 is 2. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the answer. 2,345 million. Now I need to make room and stuff. Now I need to make room to do the division or so. We're down with the multiplication. Now let's divide. Now these are the division problems I picked out from the textbook. 1, 8, 0, 5, 0, 50, 6, 48, 2, 4, oh, we're down to 4, 3, 24, 0, and remember, move the decimal. Now we're going to rewrite the division to 17, 8, 9, 8, and we're going to move the decimal right there to 38. Now let's erase this and we just... Alright, how many times does 38 go to 178? 4. Let's try 4. Let's have it go. 38, 4, 32. If you do 5. 4 is good. 4 is good. Okay, 2. We have a 9. Yeah, 38 times 8, so let's try out. 54. Nope. Yeah, 38 times 7. 256. That's 269, 256. Perfect. 7, 266. And it perfectly go one time. 4 is 7100. Now if we went over the footage, I kind of went a little faster that time. Last time when I did over 2 days debate, I was like, yeah, my time I asked you a question, does this work? Today, I'm going to do probably 3 lessons or so. What is fraction? I tell you what. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. And I were to say, if I were to make, let's say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 8. And I was to say 3. There's 8 slices and like a pizza pie. If you have a pizza and you ate 3, what is the fraction? It has to say 3. It's 3/8. Alright, one more example right there. Now, let's say I have a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would say 1. For 5, there are 5 squares. And I say 1. What is the fraction? What is 1/5? Alright. Let's do the other one. Well, let's do the other next part. How to simplify to the lowest term. Now, if I were to say 4/8, now the best way is know the DCF for each 2. 4 is 1 to the 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, and I think we divide 4 if 4 is the greatest common denominator or so, and what's equal to 1/2. I want to get very fast with the fraction, basic idea of fraction or so. So I'm kind of adding some reviews and stuff so far. Let's go with the other one. 36, 48. Alright, DCF of it is probably 12. 12 is probably DCF. Okay, so let's divide by 12. that's equal to 3, and that's equal to 4. So we got 3/4. Alright, you guys understand it? To reduce the fraction into lowest terms. Alright. I'm not trying to get you lost, am I? Now, here's a hint. What is an LCM? That means lowest common multiple, or LCD, least common denominator. Now 3/4. 3. I don't know if I can spell it right. And 4. We're working at numerator and denominator. The 3 is the numerator on the 3. On top is the numerator. And the 4 is the denominator. It's right there on the bottom of the fraction bar. Now, if I were to ask you to find the common denominator, let's say 3 and 1/8. And this is an introduction to adding and subtracting fractions. We have an adding and subtracting fraction. Let's say, for example, I have 1/2 and I want to add 1/4. I cannot add them both. That is what we get practice of. Never add the denominator or subtract the denominator. And adding and subtraction. This is in the future or so. You have to have common denominator when you add and subtract. And if you multiply, that's a different story. So now we have a multiple of 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4. One, 2, 4, 8. You have to wonder, looks like a promising number. But how do I use 3/4 and 1/8 to find the least common denominator? 2 is the least common multiple. Times 2 times 2. And you got 6 over 8, and 8 remains the same, comma 1/8. And now, since 2 is the least common multiple for it, they look promising, and now we have common denominator. Now, if I were to say 3/12, comma 11.4, denominator. 1, 2, 3. I take 2 once again as the least common multiple of 12 and 44 because 12 times 2 equals 24. So we go again 2 times 2, so we got 6, 24, comma 11, 24. And that is you're going to add and subtract fraction. You're going to have at least how many you can add up or subtract whatever over there. Now, there's the place, right fraction, there's some bars, there's 6 bars, and there's 5 shaded, what is the fraction of it? Number 2, right in the lower term, 1236, 72 over 108. And find the common denominator, 3 eighths and 1/12, and 5 sevenths and 12 and 1/2.